Some of today's kits sound so impressive, they're tough to distinguish from the real acoustic drums. Not only are they great for live settings, they are particularly useful in the recording studio. And every few years or so, these kits get even better. To show you just how far they've come, in this video we've compiled a list of 5 best electronic drum set. Number 1, Alesis Nitro Kit, Electronic Drum Set. The Alesis Nitro is a complete 8-piece electronic drum kit that includes everything you need to play like a pro. It features 3 dynamic 8-tom pads, a dual-zone snare drum for great feel and natural response, plus a kick drum pad with pedal. The setup also includes the powerful Nitro electronic drum module with hundreds of percussion sounds, 40 different kits and 60 built-in play-along tracks. Number 2, Karl Spro CSD130XXX Electronic Drum Set. With renowned CD quality sound and roadworthy durability, the CSD130 compact electronic drum kit sets new standards in electronic percussion. Karl Spro engineers have listened to drummers all around the world, combining their observations with innovative technology to create an electronic kit that delivers the acoustic drum feel that today's drummers crave. Pad material, silica, rubber. Number 3, Your XT8 TSP. The XT8 TSP 8-piece electronic drum set comes with everything you need to lay down the groove, including a professional-grade kick pedal with trigger pad, dual-zone snare for standard head and rim play, 3x8 inches single-zone pads, 3x12 inches cymbals, and a hi-hat control pedal. With 15 drum sets and 123 sounds to choose from, every time you sit down at your XT8 TSP, your creativity will instantly be unleashed. Number 4, Pile Electronic Drum Set Pad. The Pile Tabletop Digital Drum Kit is an all-in-one wonder. Enjoy customizable sound and compact portability with this versatile drumming machine. It's loaded with hundreds of built-in sounds, songs and drum kits, making each of the 7 touch-sensitive drum pads capable of producing a wide range of realistic drum audio. You'll also have the ability to make your own music. Connect the drum kit to your computer, record, save and edit your drum recordings. Built-in speakers to plays your audio, or envelope yourself in percussive rhythms by plugging in your own headphones. Number 5, Roland TD1KV V-Drum Compact Electronic Drum Kit. Roland's V-Drums are the world's most popular electronic drums for one reason: they're the best. Blending superior sound, authentic feel, and rugged durability, each kit in the V-Drums lineup performs at the highest level, a testament to more than 3 decades of developing electronic drums. The compact TD1KV is no exception, delivering respected V-Drums quality in a space-saving kit that keeps up with you as your playing evolves. Ideal for everyone that wants to enjoy drums at home.